Your cell phone. Ever had a problem connecting calls? Dropped calls? Here is the solution. Hottie makes all cell phones work better. No batteries, no power, no cables needed, ever. Developed by a U.S. Navy veteran. Hottie is made to fit in your pocket, purse, or briefcase. Carry a Hottie with you wherever you carry your cell phone. We developed the Hottie and tested it over the past 5 years, inside houses, shops, hotels, and office buildings, outside in towns, cities, out in the country, and even on a boat. Our testers love Hottie because it works. In the lab, we used a spectrum analyzer to document how well the Hottie works. This shows the ambient signal level in the lab, no phones and no Hotties of any kind. See the effect of introducing a cell phone into the lab. And this is what happens when we introduce a Hottie to the lab. Absolutely amazing. Our tester is using a cell phone signal detector here. As he moves it close to the Hottie, the lights increase and get brighter, indicating a measurable increase in cell phone signal strength. As he moves it away from the Hottie, the lights decrease and become dimmer. Now here is a test of the Hottie using a spectrum analyzer in place of a cell phone. It's an equivalent measurement device as it measures signals in the cell phone signal range. What you see on the laptop screen are real-time cell phone signals received by the spectrum analyzer from the nearby cell tower, with no Hotties in the room. Notice that the signal is constantly moving because lots of people are using the signals from the tower. The majority of the signals are in the range between -48 and -58 decibels, or dB. The stronger signal is always the lower dB reading. Here, our tester brings a Hottie into the room and places it on the table next to the spectrum analyzer, similar to the way you might place your Hottie on a table near your phone in a restaurant or at home. Notice that the signal envelope increases and that the majority of signals are now higher, between -42.5 and -49 dB. At a minimum, the increase in signal strength you are seeing from -42 to -46 dB is 4 dB. So adding a Hottie, in this case, gave us a greater than 100% increase in signal strength. These results are consistent with the results from our lab tests at SGS North America last month. Now, to show the effect of the Hottie on a single frequency within the cell phone band, we set up a signal generator in the room. This device generates that single signal in the cell phone signal range. In this close-up of the screen, as we move the Hottie closer, the signal increases to -52 dB. And when we move it away, the signal decreases to -60 dB. 3 dB equals 100%, so in this case, the Hottie increased the signal by slightly less than 300%. Now, we showed you how greatly cell phone signals fluctuate. No wonder the bars on your phone are only a slightly relative indicator of signal strength. To set your phone to show decibels versus bars, Google Field Test Mode and enter your exact phone model. You'll be able to see the actual signal strength available on your phone in real time. So who needs a Hottie? Obviously, this guy needs a Hottie. These people, using their cell phones in a meeting, certainly need a Hottie. Did you ever need a signal when you're out on a run? Or become a contortionist trying to get your cell phone to connect in a hotel room or even at home? Hottie makes all cell phones work better regardless of the type of phone or your service provider. Hottie is a registered trademark of Hot Wireless LLC, a veteran-owned business. We manufacture all our products, including Hotties, in the United States. Our goal is to develop and manufacture products that make people's lives easier. And we're proud to say that the Hottie meets that criterion.